Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my turret fortification or turret bunker. So I'm going to call it a turret bunker because that sounds cooler. Oh yeah, it's just a tank turret right here. If I ever make a body for it, then I guess I'll make a separate video later on. So I made this from an origami box, as you can see. So yeah, guys, and please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. Okay, here it is. So first you need a square sheet paper like this, and you want to fold it in half. It's already folded to make the square, and fold the other side in half. Okay, like so. Then you want to unfold it. Then you want to bring all these corners to that center point right here. Okay, so just like that. And now you want to fold this in third. So bring this side over and make it so this column right here lines up with this center crease line right there. So that center crease line should be in the middle of this column, and this column should be the same width as this portion right here. Okay, so you kind of need to eyeball it and make it so it lines up. So, but it doesn't have to be too exact, but I think that's good enough right here. And then bring the other side over. So fold this edge right against this edge here. Okay, but don't fold this edge over if it's not exact. So kind of you just have to shift things around as you go, and just like that. Okay, then you want to unfold like that, and then you want to bring this bottom edge right up to this edge right here, the far edge on the inside. Okay, like so, and lean against this edge, and you want to bring this top portion down. Okay, leaning against this top edge here. Okay, then you want to unfold this corner right there, and then you want to bring this bottom portion up to this edge. Okay, but don't fold this edge over if it's not exact, so kind of lean against this edge and bring it up to the top. Okay, like that. Then you want to unfold all that. Okay, I just like to find a clean corner like that, if it's ripped or anything, but yeah. Okay, so you want to fold out those two corners like that, and you want to fold these two edges up. Okay, just like that. Then you want to fold the box, so you want to fold this up. Okay, so you see this square right here, so there should be like a triangle here and there's a square here. You want to fold that square kind of diagonally in half and bring this whole portion up. And of course, same thing on this side as well. Okay, so triangle, the first square right here, fold it diagonally in half, bringing this whole back portion up. Okay. And same thing on the other side. So you see right here, back side, square, triangle right there. So bringing this whole back portion up and fold that square in half. Okay, and these two corners should overlap. Either way, doesn't matter which goes first or second. Okay, and then you see the rest of the piece right here, you want to just fold that down. Okay, and now this is going to be the turret. Okay, so you want to do the same thing. So as you can see here, the triangle right here and the square. So you see that square, you want to fold that square in half, bringing this whole front portion up. Okay, and same thing on the other side as well. So that square there. Okay, and now kind of flip this over so the pocket, the space right here is facing down and it's flat on top. Okay, now, so this is backwards, so square, triangle. Okay, now you want to bring this bottom edge and you want to fold this whole thing in half. So you want to bring that bottom edge right here and fold it right up to this edge right there. Okay, and same thing here. And kind of fold this whole thing in half. So fold this edge up to this edge here and this edge here. Okay, same thing on this side. So it should look like this. And then you want to bring this whole portion up. And now you want to fold this corner inside. So from this from here to all the way to the back corner. Okay. Okay, same thing on this side. So you want to fold this triangle inside. So you want to start from right here in the middle all the way up to that back corner. Okay, just like that, and kind of square that out. And now you want to fold this whole front piece in half all the way down. Okay, and now you want to fold this bottom edge right up to the center line. Okay, just like that. And you want to bring this point right here, right up to these side corners. Okay. Then fold it back up. And you see right here, the turret, you want to fold that in half. Okay. So here is the turret bunker. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.